Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm going to share with you my delicious and healthy veggie tofu stir-fry. It's perfect for lunch or dinner, and you can serve it with rice or canton noodles. So let's start cooking. Fry the tofu until it becomes light golden brown. This gives it a nice texture and helps it hold the sauce later. Once it's lightly brown, set it aside. Using the same wok, I'm sautéing minced garlic and ginger. This will give our dish that beautiful aroma and flavor base. Now I'm adding the green beans and sweet snap peas. My green beans are already cut into long strips. Stir fry this for a minute just to soften them a little. Next goes the carrots, also cut into long strips, and then the mushrooms. This combination makes the stir fry colorful and packed with nutrients. I'm seasoning with black pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then I'm adding a little water to help cook the veggies. Red bell pepper is optional, but I like adding it for color. And here goes the lettuce. It wilts fast, so just give it a quick mix. I'm adding a little sugar to balance the flavor, then pouring in the slurry to thicken the sauce. Now I'm adding back the fried tofu and mixing everything gently. For the final touch, I'm adding a splash of sesame oil. I'll finish it with a little more sesame oil and some toasted garlic on top. So simple and so delicious. I'm plating this on top of cooked canton noodles, but you can also enjoy it with steamed rice. So simple, healthy, and so good. And that's it. A healthy and flavorful veggie tofu stir-fry you can enjoy any day of the week. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meals. Enjoy!